Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Scott with Spring Hill Fox. Today we're going to talk about Murf AI. This is like a must-have for marketers. Murf AI's ability to produce voiceovers in multiple languages makes content accessible to global audiences. This is crucial for businesses and content creation aiming to reach viewers or customers in different regions, breaking down language barriers and ensuring comprehensive time and cost-effective. Creating professional quality voiceovers traditionally require hiring voice actors, booking studio time, undergoing lengthy production process, but Murf AI simplifies this by providing instant voiceovers, significantly reducing production time and cost. This is particularly beneficial for small businesses or independent creators needing more resources for professional voiceover production. With Murf AI, users have complete control over the voiceover's tone, pace, style, ensuring consistency across various pieces of content. This consistency is vital for brand identity and helps maintain a professional image, whether it's for educational content, marketing materials, or entertainment. Users can easily modify the text and regenerate the voiceover without re-recording or if changes are needed. This flexibility is invaluable for dynamic content creation, where updates of corrections are expected. Diverse applications, content creators for YouTubers, podcasters, and filmmakers, Murf AI offers a way to add professional voiceovers for their content without expensive equipment or specialized skills. Educators in e-learning, educators can use Murf AI to create diverse and engaging course material, making learning more interactive and accessible to students who prefer audio learning or speak a different language. Murf AI to enhance their campaigns, creating compelling voiceovers for videos, presentations, and advertisements. This aligns with the brand's voice. Accessibility for projects aimed at accessibility, such as audiobooks or content for visual impaired individuals. Murf AI provides a means to convert written material into spoken word quickly. Well, there you have it, folks. In an era where content is king and the need for rapid, cost-effective production is ever increasing, Murf AI stands out as a valuable ally. Its blend of accessibility, efficiencies, and versatility make it a go-to solution for many users, from individual creators to large organizations, all seeking to make their mark in the digital world by leveraging AIs for voiceover production. Murf creation input propels it into a future where technology and creativity go hand in hand. Now, don't forget, I have links down below, and don't forget to share that like and hit that bell, and I'll see you in the next video. This is Scott. Peace out.